Every trader has heard of price action, from fair value gaps to order blocks to liquidity grabs, you name it. But which concepts are the best? Which time frames are the best? I mean, how could you possibly even know any of this? Have you ever backtested your strategy? Did you analyze over 10,000 trades? Probably not, but don't worry, this all changes today. You're about to see how you can build, backtest, and automate any price action strategy without writing a single line of code. This is the Pat Automation tool by Flux Charts, and in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how it works. We'll build a strategy step by step, backtest it in real time, and break down the results. And by the end, you'll see why this tool gives you an unfair advantage in the markets. Let's get into it. So what is the Pat Automation tool? Well, it's an all-in-one strategy builder for price action traders. You can set up clear, repeatable rules for entries, exits, and take profits using features from our price action toolkit. These features include order blocks, fair value gaps, breaker blocks, inversion FVGs, and much, much more. And then after you build your strategy, you can instantly backtest it. No more, I think this strategy works. No, you'll know instantly because the data tells you. And guess what? Once you found a winning strategy, you can fully automate it. So let's build a strategy together and show you how insane this is. The first condition of this strategy is for a sell-side liquidity grab detection. After this, we want price to retest a bullish inversion FVG. Oh, and one more thing. We only want to take trades between 9:30 a.m. and 4 p.m. Sounds complicated, right? Not really. Let me show you how we can do this. Jump into the Pat Automation settings and scroll down to your long entry conditions. We'll change the first condition to be a sell-side liquidity grab detection, and we'll set this to step 1. This ensures that the liquidity grab is the first condition to be met within this strategy. Then, enable the second condition and set it to be a bullish inversion FVG retest. We'll set this to be step 2. We can't forget the time window condition. Scroll down and toggle only take trades, and input the time window you want this strategy to work between. This ensures that trades aren't being taken outside of this time window. We'll also enable the exit on opposite signal setting. This ensures that positions are closed when our short entry conditions are met. Then, make sure you set the opposite conditions for our short entries. Now, our strategy is all set, but before we test this strategy, we'll want to adjust our starting capital and order size. We recommend to always use realistic numbers that match your account size. So we'll use an account size of $10,000, and we'll change our order size to be 10% of equity. This means we'll use 10% of our current account capital for each trade. Now click OK and go to the Strategy Tester tab. You can see how this strategy performed. You'll see the total P&L, drawdown, total trades, win rate, and profit factor. You can also go through these other tabs to get every single piece of info about your strategy. This is the difference between a world-class trader and someone who just tries stuff. You see, most traders lose money because they don't test strategies. They see a setup, take the trade, and if it loses, they tweak something. If it wins, they think it's perfect. But that's not a strategy, that's gambling. And 99.99% of gamblers lose in the long run. But you know who doesn't lose? The traders who refuse to guess. The ones who don't place trades on gut feeling. They don't need hope. They have something better. Proof. They backtest. They refine. They optimize. And then they execute with absolute confidence. No hesitation. No second guessing. Because every decision they make is backed by data. And that's why the Pat Automation tool is so powerful. You're not just testing your ideas. You're proving them. If something doesn't work, you tweak it, rerun the test, and refine it until it's bulletproof. And once you've got a system that works, you let it run. So whether you're trading liquidity grabs, market structures, or order blocks, it doesn't matter. You can test it with the Pat Automation. And here's the best part. You can try it today for 30 days risk-free by going to fluxcharts.com. There'll also be a link in the description. That's all for this video. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to also like and subscribe. Until next time.